Ever had the need to virtually stage a property with specific furniture but didn't know how to? This was the specific case of one of our customers, a realtor, Marta, who wanted to add specific furniture to her images because she partners with an interior design studio. So we decided to modify our edit via prompt feature, and now you can pass reference images so they can be added to the image you're trying to stage. And I'm going to show you how. You simply go to your property, you select the photo you want to stage, you click edit with AI and you click edit via prompt. And then in here, you can basically type what you want. So decorate the living room with these two new images that I'm going to add, which is a sofa and a table, okay? You can see them here. Here's the table, here's the sofa. They're both designer furniture that we want to add to our image. Here's the table one, and here's the sofa. And then we can just reuse the prompt because I used it before. And it basically says decorate the living room with the following sofa and dining table, add more decoration elements too. And we're going to click on generate. And we're gonna wait 15 seconds and we'll get the result. And great, here we have the resulting image. As you can see, it used the exact same sofa and the exact same table, and it added some decoration. We could have been more specific with the prompt, with the things that we wanted to add. We can add more reference images, and this is just a way to get staging with the exact furniture you want.